Welcome to Paris. I am Kat Berry with Modern Living. Today we are in the Marais on Rue des Archives. This is one of the premier locations in Paris, and we are right in the center of the city, so there is no traffic, hardly any, only local deliveries and people that live in this zone are allowed to access the streets. So it's very quiet, it's very, very charming. And this is an 1800s building that was redone. The facade was totally redone in 2019, and the interior of this apartment was just redone by an architect a couple years ago. So everything is new. It has laundry, it has all electric systems, it has a new hot water heater, new windows, and the design was opened up so that you have an open concept kitchen. And you have some really great traditional features like the separate water closet, which is very Parisian, separate from your shower, which I personally love. I think that's great. And you have tons of light in here. We have over 10-foot high ceilings. And for an apartment that's 40 mètres carrés, about 500 square feet, you're overlooking the gorgeous street, and you have a beautifully redone maison particulière across the street, a gorgeous mansion that you're looking at, and you're overlooking a very, very charming courtyard on the other side. So you have windows on both sides of the apartment, and it's just completely flooded with light. We don't have any lights on here in here right now. And it's a one bedroom, you have a true one bedroom, so it's nice for privacy. And then, you know, you can have a pull-out couch as these folks do for your guests or your kids that come to visit or whoever comes to see you here on your Parisian pied-à-terre. You're on a raised first floor here, so le premier étage en France is actually, you know, what we would consider in the States the second floor. So it's very accessible, but you're on a quiet street on Rue des Archives, so it's very calm. Some other things I love about this unit are the original parquet floors and les poutres apparentes, the exposed beams. We love our exposed beams and you know, our Chicago listings, and I absolutely love having those here in Parisian apartments too, just for a little bit of the original charm. Thank you so much for touring this apartment with me today. If you'd like more information, please reach out to myself or Paris Property Group. And don't forget to like, comment, or follow below.